Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my previous video I showed y'all how I got this amazing hair color. Okay, it's a dark blue. All the details are in the other video, so I'm just gonna link that down below and y'all go watch that. Okay, but today I'm gonna be trying a perm rod set for the first time. I'm kind of nervous just because I've tried them before and they came out okay, but not really how I wanted them to. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna try to make this video short and sweet, honestly, because I'm just kind of ready to lay down. I've been up and everything, but I'm gonna just try to make this video short and sweet. I'm using one product. I've never tried this before, but I'm using the Nairobi Rapid Shine Foaming Lotion. So I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what I'm doing. Okay, here's my hair. Maybe I should do like a little length for y'all. My hair is about this long, right under my collarbone. Okay, right under my collarbone. Touching the back of my neck now. Very excited about that. So I have one section. I split this from the front to the back, and then I'm going to split this into, and then I'm going to split this section right here into 3, I think. Yeah. Now you don't have to do like super defined parts or anything, but yeah, it's up to you what you want to do. And of course you can decide how big you want your parts to be. That's all up to you. Okay, to start, to make sure that your hair is wet. Okay, so you want to do this on wet hair. So I'm going to take my spray bottle. Starting on wet hair. Just make sure that it's good, saturated in water. Okay. Just want to make sure my hair is good and saturated, okay? Can y'all see this? Maybe the camera down a little bit. Okay, hope y'all can see that now. So there. I'm gonna be starting with this size in the back, and then I'm gonna work my way up. As I work towards the front, I'm gonna start adding this size. I'm gonna take a pump of this, just one little pump. I'm gonna sit under the dryer for this style because if you ever worked with Nairobi, it works better. I mean, I think it's made for that anyway, to actually sit under a dryer. So I'm just making sure my hair is good. Every inch of this is coated. Okay, you want to keep a little towel nearby you. So now I'm going to split this section. I think I'm going to actually go, what is this, vertically. I'm going to go vertically and twist my roots. I'm going to take my Denman brush just to further make sure that's really detangled, and then I'm not gonna twist all of it. Obviously, I'm just gonna twist down just enough because I don't want my roots to be puffy. So just like this. Now I'm gonna take my roller. I'm gonna start at the bottom near this rubber band side. And then I'm just going to start rolling up. Try to seal my ends as I'm rolling this up. And then you can see it's on this side, so I'm going to take this. That does not feel so cute. I'm about to say. Okay, so that's not the right side. This is the problem that I be having with perm rods, honestly. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yay. Okay. Yay. Wait. I just see my end poking out a little bit, and I'm just gonna rewrap it because I do not want my ends curling up out of this style. Of course, we want to make sure that that end is wrapped up nice and tight. You want to make sure that this whole thing is wrapped nice and tight. So now we have this. I'm just gonna pin it right there. Yay! Oh my god, I've never been able to get this. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's the first one. I'm gonna do this back section for y'all, and then after that I'm gonna turn this camera off and I'll come back and show y'all how I do the front, because I want it to fall a certain way. And yeah. Up towards the front now, and I'm starting to use the purple rods, so I'm gonna show y'all up closer how I'm doing this. I'm just running my hair.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is a
Alright y'all, I'm all done. I'm about to sit under the dryer for probably 30-40 minutes. Let this really set, let this really dry up real good. I mean, we'll see what happens. All right, y'all, it's the next day, and I sat under the dryer for like an hour maybe. I sat under it a long time because I know when I got up I was tired. Okay, so this is how my hair looks so far. We are about to take these things out. So here's the first one. I was really excited to take these out. Let's see. Okay, there might be something there. Okay. Okay, so this is how my hair came out, y'all. I'm loving this. Like, I feel like this is super cute. I don't know how I'm gonna preserve this overnight, but if I figure it out, I'll do another video in case you want to see that. But I love this, honestly. I'm so glad that I came out. I mean, I'm so glad that I tried this. I feel like the back came out good though. I can't really see it, but it feels like it came out good. And I was on the phone and my friend told me that it looked really defined back there. That's really it. And I just twisted the front back just to like move the hair out of my face a little bit. I'm gonna get a little closer so y'all can see. I hope y'all can see the color. I think y'all can see the color when I'm this close. But it doesn't look that bright in person, but I like it. I feel like this is super cute. It's a rainy day here, but if it was sunny outside, this is the perfect hairstyle for the summer. It's out of your face, it's off of your neck, it's lightweight, it's not too heavy. And like I showed y'all, twisting my roots down really helped them to stay flat. Like you can see all the way through, they're not puffy at all. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you like this style. Comment down below if you have any tips, any tricks, any comments that you want to make. And I'll reply to them, of course. But like I said, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.